Hi everyone, hope you're doing well during these unprecedented times. My name is David. I'm one of the project leads for BMES, and I will be doing an unboxing video for our project this year. Let's get started. So for this year, we're going to be doing a glove control prosthetic hand, which basically what it sounds like, it's a prosthetic hand that's controlled by a glove that has flex sensors attached to it. I will be doing the prosthetic hand component of the project, while Himani will be doing the glove controller. So the first things we need for our prosthetic hand are foam boards. We're gonna need foam board to shape the fingers and palm of the hand. And so if you make a mistake, make sure you have extra foam board. Extra foam board. We're also going to be using Arduino boards. For the Arduino board, we're going to use a bunch of jumper wire. You need two types of jumper wires for this project. Male to male jumper wires and female to female jumper wires. We're gonna need breadboards, seeds, we're also going to need nylon strings. So these are your nylon strings. Wow. Of course, for our prosthetic hand, we need a voltage source. So here's some 9-volt batteries that we need. And of course, we also need extra just in case if we lose anything. Transceivers and adapters. So here are your transceivers, and here are your adapters. Servo motors. Here is one of the servo motors. Of course, we also need hot glue gun. And with the hot glue gun, we're going to use some glue sticks. Hot glue gun. Up next, we have our steel coin springs. This is going to help the fingers bend with the nylon string. We also need a screwdriver. Some sandpaper. We also need some masking tape. And lastly, duct tape. So that is it for our unboxing video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please go like and subscribe. Click the bell notification next to the subscribe button to get the latest updates about BMES's blogs. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace!